Hello again to my YouTube channel. I know it's a long time. I don't want to make any video about the Excel or any other technologies. I have some specific reasons. But today I will share with you a small trick to recognize or mention some specific data in our sheets using Excel. So to do that, I will working with the conditional formatting by building our own rule based on some specific conditions to make some specific cell with the color that we want. So let's try that using some specific data. So to do that, I will using this Power Query. I mean, I need to import the data from some sources. So to do that, I go to data, get the data. I will choose in the type or the type of file or the folder that we have. So in my case, I have Access database. I will click here, import the data. So in the future, I will try to build in some tutorials about the Power Query because it's very important for anyone work in the area of data analysis. So in my case, as we see with me here in this folder, we have five five tables. So here I want just some choosing some specific table to try to show you what we want. So we have here middle. So let's try to choosing this one, the table of middles. Okay, I go to load directly the table. Here in this Power Query we have this three button. So load the data. I mean, I want just loading the data without trying to making any transformation that we have. So in here, in this case of transform the data, I need to make some transformation, clean the data, and so on. Here in my case, I want just loading the data here. So we see the queries, or we have around 32,000 rows. Maybe it's a um, huge data. So let's see with me here. We have some columns, some specific columns here. We have edition, season, ID, athlete, and so on. I want just go to duplicate this, but before trying to duplicate this column of edition, I want just make small transformation about this type. So as we see with me here is a long date. I want just make it short date. Here we have is a general. In my case, I want just to transform it to short date. So like that is better maybe. And I want copy this and paste it here. Okay, so let's make it here. Okay, so the rule here is I want to make in some uh, colors here if the data is the same. To do that, just I want to go here into home, go to conditional formatting, um, new rule, and here I want choosing this use formula to determine which cell the format. So in my case here, I want to create here. So if this date is equal to the same one here, I want to make it with different color. To do that, I want to go to format, choosing this color, but for example, yellow. Let's choosing this yellow color, red or anyone, any color that we want here. So in my case, I click OK, then OK. if I go here, I will see this is equal to the same. That means we have the yellow color here. Both of this cell or this column is the same. Okay, so just it's a small trick. We can use it in real the databases if you want to make in some analysis or trying to build in some logic. So behind this data is a smart trick can help us really to check or making our checking in the same sheet that we work on. Okay. Thank you for watching and see you again. Bye bye.